Hello students. Today I have completed a question up to question number 4. I told you that to complete it in your home 16.3 of exercise perimeter and area. So 16.3 I am going to start from question number 5, and this is also I have given as a homework. Who has completed, they can check that when they have completed it correct or not, they have done it correct or not. Question is this one. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden. This is a garden. This is a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. 21 meter is given there. 21 meter. Its diameter is given. Diameter is given. A diameter of a circular garden. Circular garden is given 21 meter. Okay. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of a fence. He wants to make a fence around of this circular garden. Okay. He wants to cover it 2 times, not one single time. That gardener wants to cover this circular garden 2 times. So what is the length of the rope he wants to take to cover this garden? Okay, and also find the cost of rope. If its cost is rupees 4 per meter, means 1 meter cost of the rope is 4 rupees. So if he wants to cover this circular region, so it means that cover its circumference, its perimeter. Circumference means that it's a perimeter. So I want to find out the circumference, and you know that the circumference is 2 pi r when the radius is given, and when the radius is not given, so it is a pi into d. So I am going to use this formula, pi into d. Pi multiplied by diameter, then it is also a circumference. Now the circumference is the perimeter of this circumference of a circular garden. Circular garden. No need to find out the radius. Okay. So pi into d. D is the diameter here. So 22 upon 7, and diameter is 21. 2 pi r is also a circumference with the radius. You can find out the radius, and then you can use the formula 2 pi r. Otherwise, you can use this pi into d. 7 is 7, 7 3 is 21, and multiply this one, you are getting 66 meter square. Sorry, it is a meter only because it is a length, it is a perimeter. So it is a meter only, 66 meter. This is the circumference. Means if you want to cover 1 time, that rope is needed 66 meter. But he want to cover it 2 times. So the total length of the rope is equal to 2 is multiplied 2 times we want to cover this. So 132 meter length of the rope is needed to cover this circular region 2 times. So the cost of a fence. So the cost of is also find the cost of the rope. If the cost, so the cost of 1 meter rope of fencing is equal to rupees 4. So we have a 132 meter. So the cost of 132 meter rope of fencing is equal to 132 multiplied by 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 4 1s are 415 rupees. This is the 528 rupees is needed to fence this garden up to 2 times. Okay, if you cover 2 times the fencing around the circular path, then it will take a 528 rupees. Okay, so complete this one. Now I am going to solve this question number 6. After completing this question number 5, I am going to solve this question number 6. If the circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. So there is a two way to do that. You can use that formula for circumference pi into d, and then diameter is 30 centimeter. Okay, exceed from diameter 30 centimeter. Let the diameter of a circle is d. I have taken this p 30 centimeter, so d centimeter. So the circumference is equal to pi into d. So according to the question, this circumference of a circle is exceeded by diameter 30 centimeter. Meter by 30 centimeter. So we add 30 into this one. This is the given. This is a condition is given. Circumference of a circle is exceed its diameter by 30 centimeter. So in that we can add 30 into this diameter. So circumference is a pi into d is equal to diameter is d plus 30. Solve this one. Pi into d minus diameter is equal to 30. I get d as a common, so pi minus 1 into 30. So diameter is equal to 22. We know that pi is equal to 22. Diameter is equal to 22 minus 7 upon 7 is equal to 30. So now diameter is equal to 15 by 7 is equal to 30. We know that d is in form of 15 by 7 is form of multiplication. If you transpose to that side, multiplication change into division. Now diameter is equal to 30 into 7, change into its reciprocal when division change into multiplication, then the second quantity change into its reciprocal. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30. So diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. This is the diameter. I am not talking about the radius. This is the diameter. Diameter you will get it 14 centimeter. Now I want to find out the radius of the circle. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. So 14 by 2 you are getting 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter is the radius of the given circle. After that, I am going to solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do with yourself. I am going to do this question number 11. And listen, students, if I am leaving this question, it is not meaning that I am not going to do this one. When the regular classes is going to resume, then I will do these questions also. So don't worry about that. In that format, I am going to solve question number 11. And after that 11, I am going to solve this question number 17 and 18 also today. So 3 questions I am going to solve today, and the remaining I can do it later on. So you can see this question number 11 now. Centimeter, 21 centimeter. It is a square card. It is a square cardboard. Square cardboard of size 21 centimeter. So question number 11 is from a square cardboard of size 21 centimeter. A circle of a maximum area is cut out. Find the area of the cardboard is left. So whatever the circle is going to be cut out according to their side. So side is going to be included in this one. Then the maximum area is taken out. So for our calculation is for square cardboard side is equal to 21 centimeter. Side is equal to 21 centimeter. So its area is equal to area of a square cardboard is equal to side multiplied by side. Means that 21 is multiplied by 21, we are getting 441 centimeter square is the area of a square cardboard. In that cardboard, one maximum length of a maximum area is taken as a circle. So one circle has a cut out from this one. So the diameter of a circle is according to the question. So the diameter of a circle is equal to the side of a square cardboard. Means that the circle which is taken out according to this side. Okay, so sides we can take this maximum area. We are going to include this. We are going to take this maximum area, so we can cut that circle according to its side. So the diameter of a circle is equal to side of a square cardboard, and that is a 21 centimeter. So the radius is equal to 21 by 2 centimeter is the radius. Now area of a circle is pi r square. Pi is the 22 by 7 and r is 21 into 21 by 2. R square means that 21 multiplied by 21 by 2 multiplied by 21 by 2. Then 66, sorry, 11 is this one. 33 is multiplied by 21 upon 2. If you do this multiplication, you will get here 21 multiplied by 363. 6 is there. 21 3 is 63. Then 693 upon 2 centimeter square. And if you divide it into decimal, you will get 346.5 centimeter square is the area of a circle which is taken out from this square cardboard. Okay. Now I am going to find out the area which is left in this cardboard. Area of a circle which is taken out of this cardboard is 346.5 centimeter square. I am going to erase this one. So what is the area is left in this one? Find the area of a cardboard left. Hence, the area of cardboard is left. From the total area, of a square cardboard is 441 minus the area of a circle which is taken out from this one. Subtract it, you will get your answer. 10 minus 5, you will get 5.9 minus 6. We have taken this one. Okay. So 10 minus 6, you will get 4. And from 13 minus 4, you are getting 9. 94.5 centimeter square. The area is left after taking out the maximum length of a circle. This is a 94.5 centimeter square is the area is left in this circular cardboard. After that, question number 12 to 16 is your homework. Now see this question number 17. After this, I am going to solve this question number 17. In the adjoining figure, the area enclosed between the concentric circles is 770 centimeter square. if the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of inner circle. There is a two circle which is a concentric. Concentric means they have a common center. From this center we have drawn this circle with the radius r. We have supposed this one, and the outer radius is a capital R, and but the center is the same. That's why they are said to be a concentric. The area of this shaded region is given. It is a 770 centimeter square. So our aim is to find the radius of a smaller circle. Okay. So let the radius of outer circle is R, and that is given 21 centimeter. Okay. The radius of inner circle is given that we are going to put this one small r centimeter. Okay. Now the area of a ring. Now the area of a circular ring is equal to pi in bracket capital R square minus small r square. Means that the area of an outer circle is a pi capital R square. Area of an inner circle is a pi r square. So area of this shaded region is from outer area. We are going to subtract that the area of an inner circle. Pi is a common from there. We can take this one r square minus capital R square minus small r square. So this is a formula is that one. Directly you will get the area of a circular ring is equal to pi in bracket r square minus capital R square minus small r square. This is the given. This one is given 770 centimeter square. So according to the question, pi capital R square minus small r square is equal to given 770 centimeter square. I'm going to keep this value here. No, wait. Capital R square minus small r square is equal to pi is in form of a division multiplication. If you transport to that side, it change into a division. Any problem? R is given, the capital R is given that 21 square minus small r square is equal to 770 and divided by 22 upon 7. 7 will come to outside. 11 2 are 22. 11 7 are 77. 21 2 1 are 2. 2 35 are 70. So what is remaining here? 35 multiplied by 7, and 21 square is 441 minus small r square. One more time we can do this. 441 minus r square is equal to 35 into 7. 7 5 is 35, 3 7 3 is 21, and 3 24. 245. This is a 445 minus r square is equal to 245. Now I am going to transpose this r square to that side and 244 to this side. Means that r square is equal to 441 minus 245. You can do this one. It is easy for you. I have transferred to this side, but I have written it. I am showing it. I have written it to this side. Means this is 441 minus r square is equal to 245. What I told you, I am transporting to r square to this side. 441 minus 245 is equal to r square. I have written in this way. R square is equal to 441 minus 245. So r square is equal to, if you subtract this one, 691. You are getting 196. R square is equal to 196. Then you can find the square root of this 100, because r is in form of a square. So I am taking this square from this side. It changes into a square root. So r is equal to the square root of 196 is a 14 centimeter. So this is the radius. Hence inner radius is small r is equal to 14 centimeter. inner radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So it is dependent on you how to do this. So you can break this one r a square minus b square also, a minus b, a plus b also, then you will get the same answer also. R square is equal to 196, then r is equal to under root 196, and the square root of 196 is the 14 centimeter. Hence the inner radius is equal to 14 centimeter. It depends on you how to do this one. It's very easy. You can find it as separate areas, area of outer circle, area of inner circle, subtract it, then also you will get the same result. Radius is equal to 14, inner radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Complete it in your copy. Now I am going to do this question number 8. This is the last question of today's last question, question number 18. Question number 18. This is your figure of question number 18. I am going to read out the question number 18. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. This is a circular card, whatever given. I can read it, then after I am going to do this one. From a circular card sheet of a radius 14 centimeter, two circles of a radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of this remaining sided region. This is not sided. This two circle is the same radius 3.5, 3.5, and this is a rectangular region. Its length is a 3 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So this is going to be removed from this circular cardboard, okay, whose radius is a 14 centimeter. So one by one I am going to solve this one. So whatever is given from a circular card sheet of radius, given that the radius of a circular card sheet is equal to 14 centimeter. So its area is area of a circular card sheet is equal to pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square is 14 square. So 22 by 7 is multiplied by 14 into 14. 7 to the 14. So 14 into 14. 44 is multiplied by 14. 616 centimeter square is the area of this whole circular region. So there is a two small circle is there. So okay. Now area for this two circle whose radius is the same. Area of two circles with same radius, 3.5 centimeter is equal to 2 into pi r square, because area for one circle is a pi r square, area for two circle is 2 into pi r square, because the radius is same. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 3.5 square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 7. Okay. So 44. Wait. 11. 44 is multiplied by 0.5 is multiplied by 3.5. If you do this multiplication, 0.54 is 22, then is multiplied by 3.5. If you do this multiplication, you are getting 77.0. You are getting this 77 centimeter square is the area of two circles with the same radius 3.5 centimeter. With the same radius 3.5 centimeter it is a 77 centimeter square. Now listen students, this is we are going to do that calculation for a rectangle. Its length is equal to 3 centimeter and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So the area of a rectangle, we want to remove this sheet also, rectangular sheet we want to remove from this circular cardboard. Okay, so the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. We are getting 3 into 1, we are getting 3 centimeter square. So now our aim is to find out the area which is remained in this one. If we want to if we remove this circular region, this two small circle and one rectangular region from this one, then what is the area is remaining? So the area of remaining sheet from the total area of the circular sheet is a 616 minus the area of two circular small circle is 77 and plus 3 is the area of this rectangular sheet. 616 minus 80, then we are going to get it. I am going to subtract this one, 6 from 11 minus 8, 3, 536 centimeter square is the area is remaining when we after removing these two small circle with the same radius and this rectangular region whose length is 3 centimeter and 1 breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. Then what is the area is remaining of this circular sheet is 536 centimeter square. So with this question number 18, I want to complete this exercise perimeter and area. Whatever the remaining question, I can do it, definitely I will do it in the class. Okay, so don't worry about that one or two questions are remaining, so don't worry about that. I will surely do it in the class. Okay, but whatever I have completed it, you can complete it in your copy. Okay, students, and then after I am going to discuss the next exercise is the congruency of a triangle. Okay, till that, thank you students.